be my dog, Billie, snoring. Oh, I think I just woke her, maybe. Billie. Billie Boo. Billie. What's the dream about, huh? You're snoring very loud. Yeah, I got you on YouTube. What you gonna do about it, huh? Huh? Okay. What you just heard and experienced was my dog snoring incredibly loud. She does this all the time. She sleeps all the time. And yeah, she just went back to her spot and laid down and probably now attempting to sleep. Of course it is like around 1 o'clock in the morning, but oh well. Yeah, so just a random video. Make sure to like if you think my dog's snoring is obnoxiously loud, and wish me luck on trying to sleep with her snoring like that. Well, good night.